Just mix these ingredients, and you will never have to deal with this problem again. Have you ever thought about completely transforming your health using simple ingredients you already have at home without spending a fortune on expensive medicines or useless treatments? That's right. What you are about to learn is so powerful that it can free you from problems that have been bothering you for years, such as stubborn high blood sugar that won't go down, a liver overloaded with toxins, skin tired from time, and that endless feeling of fatigue and bloating. The doctors shared such a strong combination that it scared the pharmaceutical industry. And the best part, you don't even need to leave home to start. All you need to do is grab 2 fresh lemons, with peel and all, because that's where the real magic is. The peel contains powerful compounds like hesperidin and vitamin C, which help balance blood sugar and recharge your entire body. Next, add half a tablespoon of real Ceylon cinnamon, not that fake one full of harmful toxins. This reduces glucose by up to 29% and speeds up metabolism by 20%. Then add 4 slices of fresh ginger, rich in gingerol, which helps with bloating, melts belly fat up to 4 times faster, and purifies the blood in less than 48 hours. To further enhance the effect, add a generous pinch of whole cloves. Thanks to eugenol, it is up to 3 times stronger than ibuprofen in fighting pain and inflammation. Pour a cup and a half of room temperature water into a pot, put it on the stove, and let it boil for exactly 8 minutes. That is the ideal point to extract the best from all the ingredients. When finished, turn off the heat, cover, and let it rest for 5 minutes so the vapors trap the essential oils and transform the mixture into a natural elixir. Strain the mixture and pour it into your favorite mug. The best time to drink is while it is still warm and before 10 in the morning, as that is when the liver is most receptive to absorbing nutrients, tripling the effects. Now, if you are already taking medication for diabetes or high blood pressure, talk to your doctor, because this recipe works so well, it may mean adjusting your dosage. Share this with someone you love. It can literally save a life. And come back here after 3 days to tell us how you are feeling, because your story may inspire someone else to change their own health as well. Tomorrow, I will share something even more surprising: what really happens when you mix eggshell with vinegar, something most people throw away without realizing the power inside. In the meantime, think about how much you have already spent on medicines that had no effect at all. Now, for less than a reel, you have a recipe that is changing lives. Choose natural. Choose to take care of yourself.